Let's make healthy chicken casserole. Coat 400 grams of chicken thighs on both sides with flour and season generously with salt and pepper. Add a glug of olive oil to a heavy base pan. Brown the chicken on both sides over a high heat. Then transfer to a plate and set aside. Reduce the heat to medium under the pan and add a chopped onion, celery and 2 chopped carrots to the pan. Cook until the onion is beginning to soften. Then add 3 minced cloves of garlic and cook for a further minute. Stir in the ground spices, herbs and a heaped tablespoon of tomato puree, all of which will be in the description box below. Stir in constantly for a further minute. Deglaze the pan with a little of the hot stock, scraping up any sticky bits on the bottom of the pan. Then stir in the remainder of the stock. Add 3 chunky chopped sweet potatoes to the pan. Return the chicken and any juices that have collected on the plate. Put the lid on and simmer for 15 minutes. Trim the top and bottom of 200 grams of green beans, then cut in half and drop into the pan. Tip in a can of drained chickpeas and gently stir them into the sauce just until they're submerged in the liquid and cook for a further 5 minutes. Before serving, check for seasoning. Enjoy!